In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change theme on Pandadoc. To get started, open the document or template you want to edit. You will want to be inside the Pandadoc editor because that is where theme controls are available. Once your file is open, take a moment to confirm you are viewing the editing interface, not just a preview. This ensures your formatting changes can be applied properly. Next, look to the top navigation bar in the editor. Find and select Format. In some versions of Pandadoc, formatting options used to live in a sidebar tab, but now you will typically access them from this top menu. Selecting Format opens a drop-down with several formatting-related options. From that drop-down, choose Theme. This is the section where you can change the overall look and feel of your document, including fonts, tables, and background styling. Opening theme settings is useful because it lets you make consistent visual changes across the entire document, rather than adjusting individual elements one by one. Now you can choose how you want to set your theme. If you want a quick, polished design, use a pre-designed theme. Look for the option that lets you choose another theme, then browse the Pandadoc theme gallery. When you find a theme that matches the style you want, select it and click Apply. After you apply it, give the document a quick scan to confirm headings, body text, and spacing look the way you expect, since different themes can slightly change how content flows on the page. If you prefer a more specific look, switch to a custom approach using the theme sidebar settings. Here, you can manually adjust typography, including headings and regular text, so your fonts and sizes stay consistent throughout the document. You can also update the table design to better match your brand style, which is especially helpful for pricing tables or structured information. Finally, you can change the page background to create a cleaner or more branded appearance. When you make these adjustments, move slowly and check your pages as you go, because small changes to typography or table styling can affect layout and readability. Once you are satisfied with the theme, you can continue editing as normal, knowing your document has a consistent, professional design. And that is all there is to it.